I guess this is a public service announcement for anyone that's bought Aomway Commanders version 2. These were brand new. A customer sent them to me. I'm not sure if you can see. The problem that I'm having is I've been making stickers for the last 10 years or so, and I've never come across this where I'm basically making a template to wrap these goggles. And I was using low tack masking vinyl, and for some reason it started peeling down in here. Because I didn't fully inspect the goggles when I received them from my customer, it just went unnoticed. So but then I noticed that, oh, that's weird, it looks like it's scratched down there, and I thought maybe I damaged them. So I took note that there was a little spot right there, and I continued to take off my masking, and I noticed that more of the clear was coming off. And I'm like, how in the world is this coming off? This is clear coat. I mean, should be the same stuff you use on a car. I mean, you can't put a sticker on the car and then peel off your coating. So I can't remember what the term was, but orange peel maybe, but that's usually for paint. I don't know if that's classified the same thing for the clear. I don't want you guys to go ruining off your goggles, but I mean, it is so simple to take the stuff off that I can use packing tape, just regular old packing tape. Now you can see right in here, I'm gonna try to, you can see where it's come off, like where it's dull and where it's clear. And I'm basically gonna dab this, and you can see that the clear is coming off. And then you see the DVR, like right in here, eventually that will come off. Now, there's no goggles out there, there's no clear coating out there that is supposed to come off like this easy. Like, this is ridiculous. Now, is this just the one pair, like the unlucky pair that just happened to get through QC? My customer was super good about this. I was pretty much having a stroke. I was stressed out. I didn't know. I thought I owed this guy new goggles. I mean, that's ridiculous. I mean, like, I haven't contacted the manufacturer because I'm not the one who purchased these. I don't think my customer wants to contact them. Trying to talk to China it's very difficult to try to get a point across. So that's why I'm making this video, just to show them that your coating is coming off. And is this coming off on all of them, on some of them, or is this just the lucky one that just got through QC somehow, and just, you know, slipped through the cracks? And I mean, if that's the case, that's fine. So what I'm asking Aomway to do is hopefully contact me, get me a new shell so that I can give to my customer, or so that we can arrange that my customer gets a new shell and he can put it on, or send the guy a brand new set of goggles and these ones can be sent right back to you so you can inspect them or whatever. But like I said, I have 10 years experience putting stickers on all sorts of materials. I've never ever seen anything like this. Spending this kind of money on something that doesn't even protect your goggles is absolutely ridiculous. The stickers that I make have way more protection than what you guys are laying down right here. So I'm not hating on anyone. I am just telling you guys, try to do the right thing. Do some research. Maybe you got a bunch of bad goggles, maybe some bad coatings out there. You know, do your part. You know, help the people that support you, support them back, and pass this around. Hopefully, I really hope this is just the one unlucky pair that I happen to have, and luckily I have a really understanding customer, so he told me to just wrap them and give them back to him. So my time, I've wasted a ton of time templating these, and now I actually don't even know what to do. So I guess in my benefit is if Aomway goes and does an investigation on their coding and it's coming off and all sorts of stuff like that, hey, at least, you know, put a notice out saying, hey, warning, don't put stickers on here, because even if it's just my wraps, you guys could be putting little tiny stickers on or whatever, and then you decide, hey, I don't like them, you take them off, and all of a sudden your coating comes off. That's going to be really, really shitty, and you're going to be super pissed, and your goggles are probably going to be out of warranty. So it's up to you guys that are watching, that own these. It's up to you if you want to test it, if you want to risk it. I would not risk it. I mean, it's such a you know, it's I'm just astonished, you know. Guys are racing to put these things out there, and they're not taking the time to make sure that they're doing the job right, you know. But that right there, that's me just being salty, I guess. I mean, this could have gone the wrong way, where my customer's like, nope, you owe me a new pair of goggles, and I would have been on the hook for it. So Aomway, check this out. You know, seriously consider what's going on here. And these goggles were brand new. Brand new. They were sent to the customer sent them to me. So yeah, I'll leave you with that, and hopefully it doesn't stir up too much drama, but in the end result, I just want Aomway to do the right thing, and hopefully this is just one unlucky pair that I happen to get in my hands.